Hi, good afternoon. How are you? I hope we are all in the good condition. And you can see from our screen now, so we still discuss about present simple in active and passive way. But for today, we are not only discuss about the formula, but we also will discuss about present simple in more detail. Well, let's see what we have first. So the first one, we are going to have active form formula. So you know this: I, you, we, they plus infinitive, or he, she, it plus infinitive plus ses. Infinitive is verb. Ya, kalau if you don't know. So the examples is cat eat fish and dry food, and then Noah plays tennis twice a week. So the passive one should be object, to be, and verb 3. What about, so if we change the sentence, become fish and dry food are eaten. So we have uh, learned about this. And tennis is played, yeah. If it is the negative one, active is a subject, done, verb 1. So, and if it is she, he, it, plus doesn't, plus verb 1. And the examples should be dogs don't eat leaves. So my mother doesn't drink tea. What about the passive one? So the passive for negative sentence is the object as to be and plus not plus verb 3. For example, leaves aren't eaten by dogs and tea isn't drunk by my mother. And it's interrogative. So the active should be do or does plus subject plus infinitive. Examples: do doctors treat patients, or does she study English? So the passive form is am, is, are plus object plus past participle. For example, are patients treated by doctors? Is English studied by her? Now, is WH question. So, if yang sebelum-sebelumnya kita udah yang udah kita bahas in the last meeting. So, itu Miss hanya mereview, but starting from this time until the end of the video. So, pay attention because this is the new one for you. Next, it's about WH question. So, do you know what is WH question? It should be why, who, where, when, what, and how. Yeah, so the formula is question word, that's WH question, plus do or does, plus subject, plus infinitive. This is for active. Example: well, when do you watch television? See ya, jadi dia pertama-tama we put WH question first and do, and then the subject, and then the verb 1, and then the object. When do you watch television? So you cannot say when you watch television. That's wrong. You need put do or does there because the subject is you, so that's why we put do there. When do you watch television? Next, it should be who does feed the baby? Who does feed the baby? So this one using does because the subject is feed. Okay, so who does feed the baby? And the baby here is the object, not the subject. And what about the passive voice? So if it is passive voice, so the formula should be the question word plus am, is, are plus object plus participle. And see the examples. Well, kalau tadi when do you watch television? So the passive one should be when is television watched by you, gitu ya. Jadi kalau bentuk pasifnya when, bentuk aktifnya when do you watch television. So bentuk pasifnya should be when is, so do become is, you-nya jadi menjadi television karena television is the object, so the television become the subject. And then the verb 3 past participle watch, tadi watch, and then by you. Next, who is the baby? Nah, who is, kalau tadi who does feed the baby, maka this one, who is the baby fed by? So, the important notes, verb be cases. So, for example, this is we don't talk about active and passive, but this is the more detail for present simple information. So, this is the verb be cases, right? Verb be means to be, right? So, I don't sat with what he said. So, this is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because sat is not a verb. Because sat bukan sebuah kata kerja, maka you cannot put down there. You need to put verb be. Verb be here is am. So, the next example is, where does your brother be? So, this is not true. So, the true one is, where is your brother? Verb have cases. Jadi kamu banyak suka salah di have. So for example, I haven't pencils for homework. So this one, jadi have kamu itu suka bingung ke present perfect tense, whether saying have-nya sebagai to be, tapi here have-nya adalah sebagai, kalau di present simple, have-nya adalah sebagai kata kerja. So you cannot put not after have. You need to put good, you need to put do there. So I don't have pencils for, so the correct sentence is I don't have pencils for homework. So you need to put do or does because the subject is I, so that's why we put do plus not. So I don't have pencils for homework. Next, have you breakfast at 7? Ini pun seperti pertanyaan dalam present perfect. But if there is no verb here, so that's why have here as a verb. So the sentence is not like this, but do you have breakfast at 7? So this is the correct sentence. Next is penggunaan present. Nah, jadi present simple itu digunakan untuk satu adalah fakta. Well, facts ya. For example, water boils at 100 Celsius. This is we call general fact. Cows don't drink milk. And then Mrs. Diana lives in America. Personal fact. Kalau tadi general, yang ini personal. Ada lagi, my husband is an accountant. So this is also personal facts. 2 is talking about habits. Examples, I go on Nile cruise monthly. And then John rides his horse on Fridays. Tambahan, used to form. Kalau tadi use aja, tadi digunakan untuk apa aja. Ini kita mau how to use used to. Jadi ini seperti bentuk pasif yang memakai used to. Jadi verb 3 plus 2 ya. So the formula is subject, am is are, used to plus noun plus infinitive ing misalnya. So used to ini berarti biasanya. Jadi kalau we translate this to bahasa Indonesia, so used to ini artinya biasanya. Let's see the sentence. Well, Sarah, jadi Sarah is the subject, is dengan to be-nya, because this is Sarah, so the to be is used to. Jadi biasanya, Sarah biasanya, karena ini to, maka dia menjadi waking. Kamu kan biasanya taunya adalah I want to go. So that's for one, after to ditambah verb one lagi. Jadi kalau penggunaan kata used to setelahnya diikuti oleh verb ing. Sarah is used to waking up early. Jadi Sarah selalu gitu ya. Yang selalu dilakukannya itu adalah bangun lebih awal gitu ya. Jadi setiap harinya si Sarah ini, maka bangunnya awal. So that's we call used to. Just like I am used to sitting there gitu. Jadi aku just habit kamu biasanya gitu. Penggunaan used to. After the following linking words. Nah, kalau yang ketiga adalah ketika after, before, and if. After, before, and if ini namanya conjunction dan mereka berarti akan ada dua kalimat. For example, after I finish the email, I will send it to the manager. So, you can put the present simple is I finish the email. After I finish the email, jadi kalau ada kata after berarti dia dua kalimatnya. Karena after adalah penyambung dua kalimat menjadi satu kalimat. So, seterusnya adalah I will send it to the manager. I will send it to the manager is not a present simple. This is a future simple. This is a present future. Next example, if you study hard, you will succeed. So, this is use, kalau tadi pakai after, ini yang pakainya if. 4. Timetables adalah waktu. Just like using at 6 gitu ya, at 7. Jadi kalau misalnya present simple itu bisa, you can put the detailed time that we call as a timetable by using at as the preposition. For example, they play starts at 6 on the comedy channel. Five, with stative verbs such as accept and no. Jadi ini dengan kata kerja yang accept atau no. I am accepting her suggestion. So this is wrong. The correct one is I accept her suggestion. And if it is noun, my father is being known for his wisdom. So this is wrong. The correct one is my father is noun. Nah, ini jadi bentuk pasifnya tadi gitu ya. My father is known by is known for his wisdom. My father is known for his wisdom. Jadi ini kayak penggunaan kata know, berarti know itu kalau misalnya dikenal gitu ya. Jadi ayahku dikenal untuk kebijakannya, karena kebijakannya. So, my father is known for his wisdom. So, you cannot say my father is being known gitu. Okay. Jadi untuk kata kerja accept and noun. Next, it's adverb of frequency. Jadi, how to identify this sentence is a present or not. One of the indicator is adverb of frequency. So, just like how often you do that activity. Jadi adverb of frequency adalah kata-kata yang menunjukkan seberapa sering kegiatan tersebut dilakukan. Let's see what are the adverbs of frequency that we are going to. So there are 3 groups of adverb of frequency. Always, constantly, usually, normally, generally, regularly, often, frequently, sometimes, occasionally, little, rarely, seldom, hardly ever, never. So this is So this one is tingkatan untuk seberapa seringnya dari mulai the highest level of adverb of frequency untuk seberapa sering adalah always and the lowest level is never. Jadi always berarti dilakukan setiap hari, never berarti tidak pernah dilakukan. So urutannya seperti yang disebutkan tadi. Jadi ada always, after that constantly gitu ya. Jadi urutannya tadi bisa kalian mundurkan lagi tentang seberapa sering. Jadi dari setiap hari sampai nggak pernah. Okay. Example. Sometimes I watch TV. I sometimes go to the cinema. I watch TV sometimes. So, Nadia is often late for school. Nah, untuk yang group 1, so you can put the adverb of frequency at the beginning of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence, or at the end of the sentence. So all of them are true. You put sometimes at the beginning, you put sometimes after subject, or you put sometimes at the end of the sentence. Every positions are true. Next, we see the group 2. Once, twice, three times, several times, many times, and every plus period of time. So kalau group one tadi menunjukkan berapa sering, maka group two just like how many times gitu ya. Once hanya sekali, twice dua kali, three times tiga kali, several times beberapa kali, many times, and then or a or an or every plus period of time. Examples: I do exercise twice a week. Once a year, I visit my uncle in Egypt. That's group 2. Group 3, every morning, day, Monday, week, month, summer, year, on Fridays, in summer. Examples: I take a course on Wednesday. Jadi ini udah kasih every morning my mother prepares me breakfast. Jadi kalau yang group 3 ini udah langsung kasih waktu kayak hari, bulan gitu ya. Kalau hari pakai on, bulan juga pakai on gitu, atau every day gitu. That's juga adverb. Okay, so that's all our material today. Thank you so much for your attention. So if you still confused or don't understand about my video, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.